I'm Ajit from USA Production and welcome to the Nuke tutorial series. This series is based on the book From the Foundry. And today we are going to talk about the third chapter, channels. Let's understand what the book is saying about the channels. According to the book, the channels definition is something like this way. Digital images generally consist of the four standard channels such as red, green, blue, and alpha. We all know about this. Nuke allows you to create or import additional channels as mask, lighting passes, and other type of image data. Let's understand the channels in detail inside the Nuke. So I have already imported here one image, and this image format is JPG. On the top right corner you got channels, but channels for display only. From here you can jump over the layers that image consist. For example, if your image having all four channels, then you can jump over all four channels. By default, because this image in JPG format, as you all know if you have experience with compositing, then the JPG format never consists or never have alpha channel. But Nuke allow you to make auto alpha when you are going to import any kind of image. It doesn't matter what is the format. For example, this image format is JPEG. But when you will go to the read node format or just double click here on the image or this media, then from the color space you'll got the option auto alpha. For example, when you did not check mark the auto alpha, and now if you will jump over the alpha from the channels from your display, then it will show nothing, because of course this image having no alpha there, because this image format is JPEG. This image is not available in PNG or EXR, OpenEXR or TIFF format, something like that way. But Nuke allow you to make auto alpha to any of images. It doesn't matter what is the format. So you can select auto alpha even there is no alpha. Now the Nuke will try to make whole image as alpha. So now your image having all four channels RGBA, red, green, blue plus alpha. So these both options are just indicated or just dedicated to the channels for viewport only. Okay. You can jump over other layers as well. These layers are very similar like you have work in Photoshops. So in other layers you got like depth, motion, forward, backward, and all these layers. But definitely that all layers will never work here because this data is not available in our media. And now we have to jump over the display style. And now you can make the separations between your channels. For example, you can jump over red, green, blue plus alpha, luminance and matte overlays. I'm going to jump over the red channel. And now we can see our image just converted into the grayscale color. That means the black means there is no red channel or red value available, but the white area means there is red value. Similarly, we have to jump over the green, and the story is very same. The white area means green value is available. The black area means there is no green value. The gray area means there is green value but at very low amount. Blue. Yes, of course we have a blue color here in our image, but at very low amount. And now alpha. Because this image there is no alpha in this image because this image is in JPEG format. But even it is showing some white. White representation means there is alpha. So we have earlier discussed, we have clicked on auto alpha. That means we made auto alpha in this image. Since the starting, this image not having any alpha. So now we have all the channels here in this image. RGB plus A. And now how you'll make them separate, and how you can increase or decrease the separate values of all the channels. So just you have to get all the nodes from the channel toolkit. From here you'll get shuffle, copy, channel merge, add and remove nodes. Shuffle and copy are the most important nodes here from the channel toolkit. If you are working advanced compositing inside the Nuke, then you have to know the shuffle and copy. So I'm gonna make them separate. You can go over the channel toolkit, and from here you can import the shuffle node. Or another way is you have to press tab here and you can select the shuffle node. Just search the shuffle and you will get here something like this way. No changes, because we have selected RGB as an input layer and we are giving RGB as output layer. We can select over all the layers that your media having, but our media does not having any other layers. We have just RGBA, so we have to work over here only. Just remove alpha, remove blue, remove green. And now this shuffle node just indicate only one channel, that is red. Copy the shuffle node, paste it here. And here I'm gonna give green value. And this shuffle having green and this shuffle having a red, as you can see. For this channel I'm gonna give blue. As you can see, we have make them all the channels separate, red, green and blue. Using shuffle node, we have just separated all the channels. And by using merge, you can merge all the channels and you can get the image as RGBA. We can take another shuffle node to get just alpha, but as we all knows that this image don't have any alpha, and Nuke trying to give alpha for whole image, so it doesn't matter we are taking the alpha shuffle or it doesn't matter, it's not important. So this is the channels inside the Nuke. I hope you got understand what is the channel all about. Thank you for watching this.